Safety has become a very important element and aspect to our vehicles for our customers. We want to be benchmark, and we are benchmarking the industry with our safety systems. Collision mitigation systems, obstacle detection, all of the active safety systems we're spending a lot of time on. They're highly valuable, and we want to absolutely be benchmarking the industry with our systems.
To me, safety systems is like a vaccine. If you know that when deployed right, it can have a tremendous impact on the society.
Mitigating collisions and getting home safely are priorities for every transportation professional. That's why Detroit Assurance 5.0 is standard equipment on every Detroit-powered new Cascadia. Our safety suite has evolved. For example, when a moving pedestrian enters a truck's path, Detroit Assurance 5.0 applies input from the radar and camera sensors to warn the driver with visual and audible warnings, simultaneously with partial emergency braking. If the driver doesn't take action, full emergency braking brings the truck to a complete stop. Detroit Assurance 5.0 provides a higher level of performance while using adaptive cruise control. With ACC to 0, if the vehicle in front stops, your truck will also come to a stop and hold indefinitely. If the vehicle ahead moves in under 2 seconds, the truck will resume moving at a safe following distance. It's well suited for stop-and-go traffic situations.
We strongly believe that is going to be a game changer in the industry because drivers can stay in adaptive cruise control for much longer duration, which will have a positive impact on fuel economy and driver comfort.
The Detroit Assurance front-facing camera identifies speed limit signs and displays it in the dash to enhance driver awareness. Also enabled by the camera is the Intelligent High Beam feature, which controls when the headlamps go into high or low beam. For the automatic wipers headlamps feature, a rain light sensor turns on the headlights when it's dusk or dark, and the sensor also automatically turns the wipers on when precipitation is detected and turns them off once precipitation stops. Detroit Assurance 5.0 has several new optional features, including Side Guard Assist, a proprietary blind spot system. Short-range radars scan the entire length of the tractor and trailer, identifying vehicles, objects, bicycles, or pedestrians, then issue visual and audio alerts that warn of a possible collision in case of a lane change or right turn. The Side Guard Assist also enables several functions that improve safety performance in city traffic or on the highway. The optional Active Lane Assist includes Lane Keep Assist, which is automatically enabled when adaptive cruise control is activated. It keeps the truck centered in its lane by constant steering input and offers customization so drivers can offset to the right or left of center based on their personal preference or traffic demands. Active Lane Assist also includes Lane Departure Protection. If the truck begins to drift without the turn signal being on, a rumble sound will alert the driver, along with a visual warning. The system will then countersteer the truck back into its lane. An optional driver-facing camera provides insight into the driver's actions before, during, and after an ABA event, which can be used for driver training purposes. All of our safety features are meticulously tested for durability and functionality in low visibility, windy conditions, extreme climates, and on all sorts of rough road surfaces. Design improvements, technological advancements, and new features reinforce our chief goal: mitigating potential accidents and enhancing safety.